This 2018 Tiffin Allegro 36 UA is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a raw silk interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, LP detector, oven, external shower, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater, microwave, TV antenna, self-contained, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk beds, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Tiffin Allegro 36 UA is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.